Potala say Sharchok Potala. Shady devotional, Persian the house of Chidogobia, Jejuke, Lola, and Pagaliash, Yerki, Lukarach Potala, Tamshani, Savajresha, just a number of 200 Sirona.
The next dance performance will be presented by a San Francisco Tibetan community student. They will be performing a dance from Ngari region of Tibet called Sharchok Potala. This is a folk dance from Ngari region of Tibet, and Ngari lies in the western Tibet, sharing borders with India and Nepal. From 10th century to the 17th century, Ngari region is ruled by the Kuki kingdom and prospered for many years in spirituality, art, and music. This folk dance from the region of Tibet shares some similarities with the Himalayan regions. This particular dance, Sharchok Potala, is one of the most famous Ngari folk dance, hugely loved by many generations. The Tibetan lute itself is also said to be originated from Ngari, and the strumming of the Ngari lute is very sophisticated and beautiful, and we are happy to have San Francisco present this dance. Please welcome San Francisco.